Assalamu alaikum. Student, we are discussing system of two equations involving two variables. In last session, we discussed type 1 and type 2, two cases of type 2. There we have two equations for finding the two unknown variables. So we are going to discuss type 2 case 3. In case 3, one equation is in the form of when one equation is of the form hxy plus k is equals to 0 and other is ax square plus by square plus c is equals to 0. Here we use elimination method as is illustrated in the following example. In case 3, first equation is of the form xy is equals to 4 and the other equation is in the form x square minus 4y square is equal to 12. This is we say equation number 1 and equation number 2. Solution. Similarly, we have done in last questions, solve one equation for one variable and then substitute in the other equation. So, equation number 1 implies xy is equals to 4. The value of y will be 4 upon x. We put this value in equation number 2. Equation number 2 implies x square minus 4y square is equals to 12. Then we put the value of y in this equation, which is 4 upon x ka whole square is equal to 12. X square minus 4 and 4 ka square 16 upon x square is equals to 12. X square minus 16 multiply 4, 32 and 64. 64 upon x square and equality के other side पे 12 plus 12 will be minus 12 equal to 0. We take LCM x square. So we get power of x 4 minus 64 minus 12 x square is equal to 0. X की power 4 minus 12 x square minus 64 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Let me say this is equation number 3. And for finding the value of x, we suppose that x square is equals to capital X or any variable. Variable of middle term we suppose capital X, because when we square on this variable, we get the first term variable x की power 4. Here we suppose x square is equals to x. This is only for making quadratic equation. After quadratic equation, we get the value of x easily. So squaring on both sides, we get x की power square. So x की power 4 is equals to x square. We substitute these two values x square and x की power 4 in the equation number 3. X की power 4 is equals to capital X square minus x की power square is equals to capital X minus 64 is equal to 0. So here this will be quadratic equation, and we can solve this equation by mid-term factorize को break करके, and otherwise we use quadratic formula for getting the value of x. The factor of this middle term will be x square minus 64. 16 4 or 64 is equal to 0. We can take x as a common. X minus 16 plus 4. So x minus 4 2 4 6 are 24. Then x plus 4 and x minus 16 is equals to 0. Either x plus 4 is equals to 0 or x minus 16 is equal to 0. We get the value of x minus 4 from here, and the value of x is equals to 16. Because we substitute, we suppose x square is equals to x. So for we get two values of x. At x is equals to minus 4. We are doing back substitution. We suppose x square is equals to x. So the value of x square is equals to capital X is minus 4. For removing square, plus minus root minus 4 x x रूट लेगा तो यहाँ पर ये आपका स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. We know that we can write minus 4 as minus 1 multiplied by 4. X is equals to plus minus. The value of minus 1 is equal to iota square. We place iota square in the place of minus 1, and then we take root plus minus iota. Root से iota square cancel, we get iota, and the root of 4 will be 2. So at x is equals to minus 4, we get the value of x is equals to plus minus 2 iota. And at x is equals to 16, x square is equals to 16, square remove here plus minus root of 16. Here we get root of 16 is 4. So the value of x is plus 4 and minus 4. Now we put the values of x in equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies y is equals to 4 upon x. So at value of x is at x is equal to minus plus minus 2 iota. Y is equals to 4 upon 2 iota. So y is equals to 2 2s are 4, 2 upon iota. We can multiply or divide by iota. So we get 2 iota upon iota square. We know that iota square is equals to minus 1. Y is equals to 2 iota upon minus 1. The value of y is equals to minus 2 iota when we put the value of x is plus 2 iota. This is the value of y when x is equals to plus 2 iota. And at x is equals to minus 2 iota, so we again put the value of x, y is equals to 4 upon x, 4 upon minus 2 iota. So y is equals to minus 2 upon iota. Again multiply and divide by iota. 2 iota upon iota square. The value of iota square is equals to minus 1. By putting this value of iota square, cancel minus minus, and here the value of y is equals to 2 iota when we put x is equals to minus 2 iota. And now at x is equals to plus minus 4. Now at x is equals to 4. Again equation number 1 implies y is equals to 4 upon x. The value of x is 4. So we get value of y is equals to 1 when put x is equals to 4. And when x is equals to plus minus 4, y is equals to 4 upon minus 4, y will be minus 1 when we put x is equals to minus 4. So the solution set is hence the solution set is first set is 4 1 and then minus 4 1 minus 1 and then 2 iota iota, minus 2 iota, and then minus 2 iota and 2 iota. This is the type 2 case 3. And in type 2 case 4, in case 4, when one equation is quadratic in both the variables and the other is quadratic in one variable only. So when one equation is quadratic in both the variables, in both the variable means x square and y square, or in the given equation as using variable in both the equation. And the other is quadratic in one variable only. That is, in general form, that is ax square plus by square plus c is equals to 0, and gx square plus fy plus h is equals to 0. So in case 4, when one equation is quadratic in both the equation, in both the variables, in both the variables, sorry. So in x square and y square, in both variables the equation is quadratic, and the other is quadratic in one variable, in x square that is, and y is linear. So for example, there is a question, 4x square plus y square is equals to 25. This is the equation, both variable is quadratic. And the other equation is y square minus 2x is equals to 5. Only one variable is quadratic and other is linear. Simply we eliminate y square from the equation number 1 and 2. Then we get the equation in the form of x. So we consider this equation number 1, and this will be equation number 2. Solution. From equation number 2 we get the value of equation number 2, y square minus 2x is equals to 5. Then y square is equals to 5 plus 2x. Put the value of y square in equation number 1. So we get the equation in the form of x, and we find the roots of value of x, and then put in this back y square is equals to 5 plus 2x, we get the value of y. So here we put the value of in equation number 1, the value of y square. Equation number 1 implies 4x square plus y square is equals to 25, then 4x square plus 5, value of y square is equals to 5 plus 2x is equals to 25. 4x square plus 2x plus 5 minus 25 is equals to 0. Then 4x square plus 2x minus 20 is equals to 0. We can take 2 as a common from this equation. Then 2x square plus x minus 10 is equals to 0. And we get the equation 2x square plus x minus 10 is equals to 0. This is the equation in the form of x variable and with the help of uh, uh, quadratic formula or factor, we get the value of x, and after that put the value of this x, put the value of x in the equation, expression y square is equals to 5 plus 2x. We get the value of y. So in this way we can get the easily value of x and y and form solution set. So I think अब आप कर सकते हैं by yourself. So we discuss case 5. And after that we discuss exercise 3.8 with all questions. In case number 5, when the both equations are in the form of, okay. So in case type 2 case 5, when both equations are of the form this is the general equation ax square plus hxy plus by square plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and h are non-zero. Okay. So we take example. Example, the equation number 1 is 2x square plus xy plus 3y square minus 6 is equals to 0. And equation number 2 is 4x square plus xy plus 3y square minus 9 is equal to 0. This we call equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Solution. Okay. Here we use elimination method for doing for that. We have to multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 2 for making coefficient of both equation equal. So we multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 2. So we get equation number 1 after multiplication of 3. 6x square plus 3xy plus 9y square minus 3 6 are 18 is equals to 0. We say equation number 3 and equation number 2 multiply by 2 to 8x square plus 2xy plus 6y square minus 18 is equal to 0. This we say equation number 4. Now subtract equation number 1 and 3 and 4. So we get subtract, here sign will be changed. When we subtract equation, then the sign of the equation number 2 will be changed. So here we get minus 2x square because minus 8x square plus 6x square. Here plus xy plus 3y square. This minus sign with 6y square. 9y square minus 6y square we get plus 3y square. Plus minus 18 and plus 18 will be cancelled. So this is the expression after subtracting equation number 3 and 4. So here we get the expression after subtraction minus 2x square plus xy plus 3y square is equals to 0. We take minus as a common. 2x square minus xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. So the equation is 2x square minus xy minus 3y square is equals to 0. The factor of x minus xy will be plus 2xy minus 3xy. Minus 3y square is equals to 0. Simply we take common 2x, x plus y. Here 3y as a common, x plus y is equals to 0. 2x minus 3y and x plus y is equal to 0. Either 2x minus 3y is equals to 0 or x plus y is equal to 0. So here we get two equation. We get the value of x, 2x is equals to 3y and x is equals to 3 upon 2y, and from x is equals to minus y. So this we say equation 5 and equation 6 and equation 6. After that we use this two equation with the equation number 1 and then by solving. So here we get the two expression by solving equation number 2, 3 and 4, and after that we put this value of x is equals to minus y in equation number 1, which is 2x square plus xy plus 3y square minus 6 is equals to 0. By putting the value of x is equals to minus y in equation number 1, we get the equation in the form of y square in term of y, and easily we get the value of y. Then when we get value of y, put in this equation number 6 and find the value of x. And similarly again we put the value of x is equals to 3 upon 2y in the equation number 1, and we form an equation in the form of y. For solving equation we get the value of y and then back substitute the value of y in this equation and get the value of x. So finding the value of values of x and y, write the solution set, and this is the case 5 of type 2. Now we start the exercise number 3.8, question number 1. Question number 1 is already done in the last session, and after question number is the simple type 2 case 1. So question number 1 we done already, and the question number 2 is question number 2. Question number 2 is y plus z is equals to 5, and the other is y square plus 2z square is equals to 17. So here similar we perform similar action, equation number 1, equation number 2, and from equation number 1 we get the value of, let's suppose for y, solve for y is equals to 5 minus z, and put this value of y in equation number 2. Equation number 2 implies in the place of y we put the value of y, which we get from equation number 1, 5 minus z ka whole square plus 2z square is equals to 17. Now we find the equation in the form of in the variable of z. So here by solving this equation we get the quadratic equation in term of z, and for find from where we find the value of z. Okay, so by putting the value of z in this expression, equation number 1, we get the value of y, and when we get the value of y and z, we can form solution set easily. See question number 3. In question number 3 of 3.8, wait. In question number 3, there is a question 4x plus 3t is equals to 25. We say this equation number 1, and the other equation is 4 upon x plus 3 upon t is equal to 2. This we say equation number 2. Solution. Equation number 2 is 4 upon x plus 3 upon t is equals to 2. We take LCM x, t, and get the value 4t plus 3x is equal to 2. 4t plus 3x is equal to 2xt. So this will be equation number 3. This is the equation number 3, and equation number 1 implies 4x plus 3t is equal to 25. 4x is equal to 25 minus 3t, and the value of x will be 25 minus 3t upon 4. This is the value of x getting from equation number 1, and put the value of x in the equation number 3 in the place of x. So we get the quadratic equation in term of t in the variable t, and after applying quadratic formula we get the value of t, and when we get the value of t, then we put the again back substitute the value of t in the place of this expression getting from equation number 1. So we get the values of t and x by solving this two equations and form the solution set. Now we discuss question number 4. Question number 4 is same as question number 3. You can do easily from this method. And after that question number 4 is same as question number 3. And then question number 5. In question number 5 we have two variables. Both variables are quadratic. So the equation number 1 is 8y square minus z square plus 9 is equal to 0. and the other equation is 3y square plus z square is equals to 31 is equal to 0. So simple, we consider this equation number 1 and equation number 2, and simply by elimination method we get the value of y square, y or z, depends on you, and after that again put the value of z in the back, equation number 1 or 2, so we get the value of other variable and form the solution set. Here already plus minus z square and plus z square is in the given, are given in the equation. So we simple add this two equation and eliminate the factor z square, the variable z square, and get the equation expression in the form of y square, and find the value of y. And when you get the value of y, then put in equation number 1 or 2 in the place of y and get the value of z. So simply you get the value of y and z and form the solution set. So question number see question number 6. Question number 6 is same as question number 5, because in question number 5 already you have you are given the equation having both variables quadratic. Okay, now question number 7. In question number 7 we are given that equation number 1 is in the form x minus 1 का whole square plus y plus 3 का whole square is equal to 25, and the other equation is x square plus y plus 1 का whole square is equal to 10. This we call equation number 1 and other is equation number 2. So when we get to solve it, when we go to solve, then equation number 1 having the using the formula of a minus b का whole square and a plus b का whole square. So equation number 1 is x minus 1 का whole square plus y plus 3 का whole square is equal to 25. By using the formula of a minus b का whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus a plus b का whole square, a square plus 2ab, a is y and b is 3, plus b का square is equal to 25. So x square minus 2x plus 1, y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 25. So simply x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y plus 1 and plus 9 is 10, and minus 25 plus 10 and minus 25 minus 15 is equal to 0. This is we call equation number 3, and equation number 2 implies x square plus y plus 1 का whole square is equal to 10. X square plus, here we take the formula a plus b का whole square, y square plus 2ab, a is y and b is 1 is equal to 10. So x square plus y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 10 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. This we call equation number 4. So simply the equation number 1 having x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y minus 15, and equation number 4 x square plus y square plus 2y minus 9. When we x square plus y square is positive, and here also x square plus y square is positive. So equation number 3 subtract equation number 4. When we subtract these two equation number 4, so x square will be cancelled, y square is also cancelled, and we get the equation, linear equation is in the form of xy. So simply, where you get the linear equation, x is in the form of xy, and x या y, any variable, you take variable, solve for x or y, and put the value of x or y in the equation number 1 or equation number 2 as per your choice, and get the value of other variable. And you get the value of other variables, then substitute again the value of required in the equation you get from this subtraction, and put the get value of xy. Simply the method is same, substitution method or elimination method. This is the we discussed already so many times. So for after getting the value of the variable x and y, form and solution set. Now question number 8. In question number 8, we are given the equation x square plus y square is equals to 25. This we call equation number 1. And the other equation is 4x minus 3y, x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. To solve these two equations, solution. So equation number 2 is 4x minus 3y, x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. From here 4x minus 3y is equals to 0, or x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this implies 4x is equals to 3y, implies x is equals to 3y upon 4. And from here x is equal to 5 plus y. This we say equation number 3, expression 3 and 4. This is case 5. So first we solve equation number 3 with equation number 1, and then equation 4 with equation 1, and get the values of x and y. Simply put the value of, we are taking expression 3, x is equals to 3y upon 4 in equation number 1. In equation number 1, x square plus y square is equal to 25. So value of x is 3y upon 4 का whole square plus y square is equal to 25. 9y square upon 16 plus y square is equal to 25. So from here we get the value of y, and when you get the value of y from this, you put again the value of y in place of this y and get the value of x. And similarly, you have again do the similar process. We put the value of x is equals to 5 plus y in same equation number 1, and find an equation in the form of y and get the value of y. And after getting the value of y, we again put the value of y in the place of y and get the value of x. So with using of x and y of x, value of x and y, form the solution set. And question number 9. In question number 9, we have we are given the expression, two equation. One is y square plus z square is equals to 16, and other is 2y square minus 3yz plus z square. So here one equation is already quadratic with two variables. Y square plus z square is equals to 16, and other equation is 2y square minus 3yz plus z square is equal to 0. So first we solve this equation. 2y square, this we say equation number 2. Equation number 2 implies 2y square minus 2yz minus yz plus z square is equal to 0. Here we take 2y as a common, y minus z plus minus z. So y minus z is equal to 0. 2y plus z and y minus z is equal to 0. So either 2y plus z is equal to 0 or y minus z is equal to 0. So we say this equation number 3 and 4, and similarly we solve equation number 3 with equation number 1, and then equation number 4 with equation number 1, and get the values of y and z and form the solution set. 2y plus z is equals to 0 or y minus z is equal to 0. Simply 2y is equal to minus z, and the value of y is equals to minus z upon 2. This we say 3 expression, and y is equal to z, 4 equation. First we solve equation number 3 with equation number 1. So equation number 1 implies y square plus z square is equal to 16. And equation number 3 is y is equals to minus z upon 2. Put the value of y minus z upon 2 का whole square plus z square is equals to 16. So here we get the equation, we get the value of z after taking square root. And when get the value of z, then again back substitute the value of z in the place of z and get the value of y. After getting the value of y and z from equation 3 and equation number 1, again we do same. Equation number 4 with solve equation number 4 with equation number 1 and get the value of z and y again and form solution set. This was the question number 9, and question number 10 is similar of question number 9. Question number 10 is here equation number 1 is 12x square minus 25xy plus 12y square. So simple, we factorize this equation number 1 and get two factors. And the equation number 2 is x square plus y square is equals to 25. So first we solve equation number 3 and 1, and then expression 4 and 1 and get the values of x and y and form solution set. So here question number 11, same as question number 10 and 9. Okay, question number 11 is We are given one equation. Number one is y square plus z square is equals to 5, and other equation is xy is equals to 2. Yz is equal to 2. Yeah, equation number 2 is yz is equal to 2. We say equation number 1 and equation number 2, and the solution is equation 2 implies yz is equal to 2. From here, solve this for z is equal to 2 upon y, and put the value of z in the equation number 1 and get the value of z y. Simply, equation number 1 implies y square plus z the value of z taking from equation number 2, 2 upon y, the whole square is equal to 5. So y square plus 4 upon y square is equal to 5. Here we take LCM and form the and get the value. After taking LCM and solving, we get the value of y, and put the value of y in back in equation number 2 in the place of y, and get the value of z and form the solution set. So this is simple substitution method. And after question number 11, the question number 12. Question number 12 is also one equation is x plus 15. Xt plus 15 is equals to 0. Question number 12. The equation 1 is xt plus 15 is equal to 0. And other equation is x square plus t square is equals to 34, is same as question number 13. First we get the value of x or t as per your choice. Xt is equal to minus 15, implies x is equals to minus 15 upon t, and put the value of x in this equation. Equation 2 implies the value of x minus 15 upon t whole square plus t square is equal to 34. And to solve this and get the value of t, after getting the value of t, again put the value of t in this expression and get the value of x. After getting the value of x and t, form the solution set. After a little trick, the solution of all questions mostly same. And in question number 13 is also after multiplying and subtracting you can do easily. Both expression will be factorized. And question number 13 and 14 are same. 15 is also same. So you can do easily exercise 3.8. Thank you so much.